Chapter 6, Section 2. These are differential equations. Now, when you're solving for the general solution, what you want to do is separate your variables. So get all of your x's on one side and then all of your y's on another side. So we're just going to multiply by dx here. Get dy equals x plus 3 dx. Then we're just going to integrate, get y, and you just take the antiderivative here. So x squared over 2 plus 3x, and make sure you have that plus c at the end. That will be very important, especially when we get down here when we're solving for particular solutions with initial conditions. So that's it for that one. Now moving on to the next one here. Same thing, we're going to get our x's together and our y's together. So what we're going to do, multiply by dx, and dy equals x, like that, and then we're going to divide by our y term to get our y's on the right side, just like that. Now, let's rewrite it so we can see it better. Now we're going to integrate. Over here, not here. And for this, we're going to use the natural log rule. So natural log the absolute value of 1 plus y is equal to x squared over 2. Now we want to get this to equal y, so I'm going to take the e of both sides, or raise everything to, like this. So these are inverses, so become 1. So 1 plus y is equal to e to the 1/2 x squared plus c, plus c should have been here too. Can't forget that plus c, very important. And now this simplifies down to this, and you just subtract that 1 right here. So y is equal to c e to the 1/2 x squared all minus 1. Now for this one right here, we're given an initial condition, and this helps us solve for that c that we've been adding over here. So same thing as before, we're going to isolate our x's and y's. So this is dy equals y dx, divided by y, dy over y is equal to dx. Integrate both sides. And then we get natural log of the absolute value of y is equal to x. Same thing with e, plus c. And then we get y is equal to e to the x plus c. Y is equal to c e to the x. Then we're given these initial conditions here. So our x value is 0, and our y value is 3, so we'll plug them in here. So 3 is equal to c e to the 0. E to the 0 is just 1, so c is equal to 3. Then we're just going to rewrite our equation with c equaling 3, so y equals 3 e to the x. Now, moving on to this one. Same thing, we're going to isolate our variables. Dy is equal to 4 dx, divide by 4 minus y. Then we're going to integrate, and we get natural log of the absolute value of 4 minus y. This is a positive 4, it's not a negative. X plus c, can't forget plus c. Then we're left with 4 minus y is equal to c e to the x. So we're going to subtract 4, and I'm going to just multiply this whole thing by -1 to keep the y positive. Negative c e to the x plus 4. Now we're given the initial conditions, x and y. So 6 is equal to negative c e to the 0 plus 4. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Let me just do that now. So 2 is equal to negative c. So c is equal to negative 2. Then we're just going to plug this back into this step up there. Y is equal to negative 2 e to the x plus 4.